You got one of these? Well, I do. And for me to be able to play with this thing, I'm going to have something else. So I was given one of these. That's right. 12 bottles of butane. Now, you can think to yourself, what's so special about butane? But really not anything special. It's just the fact that I got 12 of them. And because I got 12 of them, now I am able to refill my stuff. Now, it's shipped 12 in a container, and it's really a nice box, really nice and solid. There is 300 milliliters in each one of the containers. So, if you have maybe a cigar shop, or if you like smoking, or maybe you're like me, and you just like playing with toys, well, better get you one of these.